Hey everybody, it's Tom and T from Show Me Coasters, and today we are at Six Flags St. Louis for Daredevil Daze here at Six Flags with Ace, American coaster enthusiast. So we're going to go inside, have a great day, a lot of fun, and hang out with a bunch of other enthusiasts today.
So let's go and enjoy the park, guys. Come on.
So we're heading out for our first ride for the day here at Six Flags St. Louis, and that's going to be Batman, the ride. So that's kind of a cool thing. We get some early exclusive ride time for Batman today here at Six Flags St. Louis, being with the Ace group. So we're going to enjoy that.
So Travis and Tom's getting ready to ride.
So T's taking his first ride of the day here at Daredevil Daze.
A great coaster to wake up the day with, but it was a good start for the day.
It was a great start. Yeah, we love Batman.
I love these classic B&M inverters.
This thing, we kind of got separated from the group, the Ace group, so we're going to try and catch up with them and see what the next plan of attack is. So we're going to create our second ride now here at Ninja here at Six Flags St. Louis. I like this ride. A lot of people think it's like the worst coaster in the world, but I've been on worse, believe me.
Yeah, we ridden worse coasters.
So T's getting ready to ride with Ninja here with Kevin, a friend of ours.
Welcome back. How was the ride?
So how was your ride on Ninja?
That's not bad, yeah, but me and Kevin being tall, we have to slouch down the
Yeah, the shoulder restraints might be a little harsh.
Yeah, of course, a traditional headbanger, but
right. Well, they are definitely gearing up for Fright Fest, which starts next week.
So the gangs decide they're going to tackle the mine train over here at Six Flags St. Louis.
See.
Sorry.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
So one of the things that we didn't mention about Daredevil Daze is we get to do a behind-the-scenes tour here at the park. Today we get to do a behind-the-scenes tour for the bus, but we're also getting to see some of the areas that we don't normally see, like right here.
So we're getting going behind the structure of the bus now. Ooh.
So folks, we just finished the walk back tour for the boss here at Six Flags St. Louis for Daredevil Daze. ran into Connor, also known as
Phantom Coasters.
Phantom Coasters.
It's actually conceptual now. The channel name changed. So.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
What's it called?
It's conceptual now.
Conceptual?
Yeah.
Conceptual Coasters.
Drinky
So-
for everybody.
Be sure to check out his channel, hit that subscribe button and notification bell for him. We've known him since he was younger,
Yeah, about 12, 13 years old.
and we've watched him grow over the years. So, it's been a long process for the restoration of the Grand Old Carousel here. But, it really does look amazing what they've been doing with some of the horses that they've shown us so far. So T's going to go and get a quick ride here on Supergirl Sky Flyer.
Take your high on Supergirl Sky Flyer.
So I just got off Supergirl here, flight. What's it called?
Sky Flyer?
Sky Flyer. I haven't rode this a long time, but I enjoyed the openness of this model. And the Six Flags chains, I think there's 3 of them so far.
I think so.
The double seat is in Six Flags over Texas, and one in Georgia, Catwoman's Whip. I think it's both Catwoman's Whip.
And then
So-
we have this one.
That's super. I don't think it's open.
No, yeah, looks like we were going to try and get Catwoman Whip, but looks like it's closed right now.
We apologize. I wrote this last time I read it was at night, so since we can't get the footage for you guys, here's the footage that Tom and the guys did on opening day, which the video we never published. So I hope you enjoy this. So the gang's getting ready to ride Catwoman's Whip here the first time tonight. There's Tom and the gangs give a night ride on Catwoman's Whip. So the gang just got off Catwoman Whip. What's your thought?
Amazing. It's way faster than it looks.
Oh yeah, you think you had more flip than
Oh yeah.
Than what you anticipated?
Like crazy. I couldn't even believe that.
because I was looking for the ground. Like some of them didn't flip as much, but your train was the weight was unbalanced. One side was
We
heavier.
were flipping pretty good up there. I say very thrilling.
Good.
It's all right. Yeah.
You recommend it for the public?
Oh yeah.
Do you guys recommend it for the public?
Oh yeah. I give.
So we're here in Bugs Bunny National Forest here at Six Flags St. Louis. The kids are in riding the little... Got some little ones trying to get up into the little mini drop tower they have here. It's too cute. Yeah, Sylvester's Treehouse. Yeah, there is a lot of hills, but it's our home park.
Illinois section.
The Looney.
I'm surprised. I don't know. I haven't been over by.
Yeah, they're gonna have the slaughterhouse for sure. But they have to. It wouldn't be Fright Fest without it.
Classic.
So T's hurrying off. He's trying and get on to Spin Sanity real fast.
Sir, I'm gonna lock your restraints,
So T's
guys.
getting ready to take his ride on Spin Sanity here at Six Flags St. Louis.
So I always enjoy. I'm not your typical YouTubers. I like a combination of coasters and flat rides. And this San Perla Disco, I think this is the deluxe model. I know for sure that Six Flags has 2 of these. There's Hurricane Force 5 in Six Flags Fiesta,
Yeah.
smaller version, but I don't know if they have any more. We have 2 in this state with Electro Spin and Silver Dollar City.
Yeah, and this is bigger than the one at Silver Dollar
This one
City.
seats like 40, Silver Dollar City
Yeah,
seats like 28.
28, yeah.
So we're gonna go on and do more activities for you guys. Excalibur's not open. Oh, unable.
All right, so T's getting ready to take a ride here on Pandemonium here at Six Flags St. Louis.
I just got off Pandemonium, the Gerstlauer spinning coasters. I love these when you don't feel like riding the big coasters. It's just
Yeah, if you're looking for something less intense,
yeah,
this is
it's
a good one.
family coaster.
So they are definitely in Fright Fest mode. I guess they're going to have the clowns over here this year again with the circus. This is always a really great scare zone over here.
Was this here last year?
Yeah, this was here last year.
It's about an hour and a half before the... Well, this section is kind of behind in the Halloween decoration, but I'm sure they'll whip this into shape. I see the gnome or the troll and some of the decoration up over here. Last year they were all up. So Tom's gonna ride Mr. Freeze here. He hasn't been in Six Flags in a while.
So I'm getting ready to take a ride here on Mr. Freeze at Six Flags St. Louis. I really love this ride. This is a premier reverse launch actually right now. But it's been here for a while. It's one of our favorite rides out here. And
There's Tom. He usually don't like sitting in the front, but
Repeat after me. How was your ride? Stop your section lock. You may exit to your left and enjoy the rest of your day.
so there's Tom after Mr. Freeze. So how's your ride?
it was amazing. It's great.
So at night's even better when you can't see anything.
Night rides on this are amazing. They really are.
So we're gonna probably head to the front and say goodbye to you guys. It is so weird to see Thunder River all during. No, so it means Halloween's right around the corner. And of course, from the distance, you could see when we were there, Catwoman's Whip was closed. Now it's open. So we just got out Mr. Freeze here.
Okay, folks, that's going to do it for today here at Six Flags St. Louis for Daredevil Daze.
I had fun. I mean, I hope you enjoy our daily activity plus the tour of the
The walk back tour. It was a really great day. Thanks to Ace, Heart of America, for hosting this event today. It was really fun.
And we will see you next week for opening day of Fright Fest here at Six Flags St. Louis.
Yeah, I can't believe it's already that time of the year.
This is T.
This is Tom.
And have a good night, guys.
Have a great night.
Thank you.